Hello students, welcome once again in the online session of classroom. From today we are going to study our textbook because as per the norms we will have to conduct examinations, and in examination some chapters that have already been reduced by Central Board of Education, but some that are liable to study, we are going to study them one by one. So the first chapter, the lost child. The chapter is written by Mulkaraj Anand, and it is about a child who has been lost in a fair. Now you are quite very well aware about the childish expectations, their longings, and their demands from their parents. So here in this chapter we will find a character, a small child who was going to visit a spring fair with his parents. Now in the fair he demands different type of things, like first of all he demands toys, then he demands to have sweets like gulab jamun and especially barfi, then he demands balloons, then he wanted to hear the music of a snake charmer, and then he wanted to have a garland of gulmohar. In the same way, in the end, he had a big longing to have a ride on a roundabout. But his parents each and every time refused to fulfill his desire. Now in the end, when he saw people going on roundabouts, he made a bold request, but he didn't get any answer. And meanwhile, he turned and find that he has been lost, means he had lost his parents in the fair. Now he was running here and there to search his parents, but quite unable. In the middle of the surging crowd, a man rescued him from being trampled under the feet, and he asked him who is he and what he is doing there. The boy started crying loudly, and he want only his parents. So whatever the question asked by that stranger who rescued him, the boy replied, I want my mother, I want my father. Meanwhile, the man thought that the boy will be feel comfort to see sweets, or having sweets, or having the garland of gulmohar, having toys, having a ride on roundabout. But each and every time the boy refused to take anything, and he wants only his parents. So this is the thing regarding this chapter. So in the very first page we have been introduced about the spring fair, that people were going in the fair, and they were quite happy, and one of the boy who was going between his father and mother was full of life and laughter. He was quite happy. Now in the second page we find that the boys being attracted or fascinated with the shops lined in the fair. Now his parents call him, and he responded their call and ran towards them. Now he made a request to have some toys, but his father looked at him with tyrant red eyes, and the boy became afraid and he left his desire. Now, going on further, he was attracted by a group of dragonflies and bees, and he tried to catch a butterfly sitting on a mustard plant. But he was unable to catch a butterfly. Again, his parents call him and he ran towards them. And once again, he get attracted with the insects that came out from their hiding place to enjoy sunshine. And once again, he left behind on the pavement. Again, his parents called him, "Come, child, come." Now, at this time, his parents were sitting under the shade of a grove. Grove means a cluster of trees near a well, and they called him from there. Now, when he went to them, a shower of young flowers fell upon him, and the child once again forgot the call of his parents and started gathering the falling petals. Now, at the same time, a dove's coo from the tree, and the boys become frightened and he ran towards his parents. Now, on the entrance of the fair, he saw a sweetmeat seller calling for different type of sweets like gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi, and he had a desire to take one of his favorite sweet barfi, but his father refused to have sweets for him. Now, going further, he was attracted by a flower seller and demanded to have a garland of hair. But once again, his father refused. Now, going further, he saw a balloon seller with a different type of balloons and he desired to have balloons. But once again, his father refused. Going on further, he listened the music of a snake charmer, but his father asked him not to listen and he moved further. Now there was a roundabout in full swing. People were enjoying it and the boy also wanted to enjoy it. That's why he made a bold appeal to have a ride on roundabout, but he didn't get any answer. And turning back, he found that he had lost his parents. Now he is running here and there to search his parents, but quite unable to get them again. He went to a temple to see if his parents were there, and there he found himself trapped between the hasty people. Now, when he was about to be trampled under feet, a man rescued him and asked him who he was. Now, the boy began to cry loudly. The man wanted to soothe his hurting spirits, that's why he took him to a sweetmeat seller and asked him to have sweets. Now, first of all, he took him to roundabouts and asked him to have a ride on roundabout, but the boy refused to have the ride. He replied only, "I want my mother, I want my father." Now, the man took him to the balloon seller, thinking that the rainbow glory of the balloon would attract his spirit, but the boy once again refused. He turned his eyes from the balloon and asked, "I want my mother, I want my father." Now the man took him to the flower seller and asked him to have a garland of gulmohar, but the boy removed his neck from the flower and demanded to have only his parents. And in the end, when he took him to the sweetmeat seller. The boy once again refused to have his favorite sweet and demanded to have only his parents. Now this chapter is over. In our next session, I would send you the answers of the given question here. Okay, thank you.